Feeling the nostalgia when you look at me. Thinking about what could've happened or what could've been. Finally your face, I know ain't that a sight to see. Take my time, then take your clothes off one more time maybe. Acting like you don't recall it ain't impressing me.
Sudah. Bapak mau buat posyandu di depan posyandu. Posyandu buat apaan, Pak? Itu apaan? Jadi bos.